In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to streamline operations, drive growth, and maximize profitability. One of the most powerful tools at their disposal is artificial intelligence, AI. By harnessing the capabilities of AI, businesses can automate processes, make data-driven decisions, and achieve significant financial success. In this video, we will explore the transformative power of AI in revolutionizing business operations and unlocking new opportunities for growth and prosperity. Importance of leveraging AI in business operations. Leveraging AI in business operations is crucial for staying competitive in the modern marketplace. AI technologies can analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed, enabling businesses to make informed decisions quickly and efficiently. By automating repetitive tasks and optimizing workflows, AI frees up valuable time and resources that can be redirected towards strategic initiatives and innovation. This not only enhances operational efficiency but also drives cost savings and improves overall performance. Potential of automation technologies in driving profitability. Automation technologies powered by AI have the potential to revolutionize the way businesses operate. By automating routine tasks, businesses can reduce human error, increase productivity, and deliver consistent results. This not only leads to cost savings but also enables businesses to scale operations and drive profitability. With AI-driven automation, businesses can streamline processes, improve customer experiences, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Promise of AI in transforming businesses. AI holds the promise of transforming businesses in profound ways. From predictive analytics to personalized customer experiences, AI can revolutionize how businesses operate and interact with their customers. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can unlock new revenue streams, optimize operations, and drive substantial earnings. Join us as we explore the exciting possibilities of AI in reshaping the future of business and unlocking untapped potential for success. The power of AI in business automation. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, the role of artificial intelligence, AI, in streamlining tasks and enhancing productivity cannot be overstated. AI technologies have the power to revolutionize how businesses operate by automating repetitive processes, enabling data-driven decision-making, and driving efficiency to new heights. Join us as we delve into the transformative impact of AI in business automation and explore the endless possibilities it offers for driving success and growth. Specific AI applications for automation. AI offers a wide range of applications that can automate repetitive tasks and streamline decision-making processes. From chatbots that provide instant customer support to predictive analytics tools that optimize supply chain management, AI is reshaping the way businesses operate. By leveraging AI-driven automation, businesses can enhance operational efficiency, improve accuracy, and drive innovation across various functions. Real-world examples of successful AI implementations. Across industries, businesses are harnessing the power of AI to achieve remarkable results. From healthcare to finance to manufacturing, AI is being used to automate processes, enhance customer experiences, and drive profitability. For example, in healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools are revolutionizing patient care by providing faster and more accurate diagnoses. In finance, AI algorithms are optimizing investment strategies and detecting fraudulent activities. These real-world examples showcase the tangible benefits of AI in driving success and achieving business objectives. Benefits of AI-driven automation. The benefits of AI-driven automation are manifold. By automating repetitive tasks, businesses can save time, reduce errors, and boost overall efficiency. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, enabling businesses to make informed decisions quickly and effectively. This not only enhances productivity but also improves the quality of outputs, leading to better outcomes and increased competitiveness in the market. Join us as we explore the transformative power of AI in driving business automation and unlocking new opportunities for success. Implementing AI strategies for business growth. Integrating artificial intelligence, AI, solutions effectively into business operations is key to driving growth and staying ahead in today's competitive landscape. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can unlock new opportunities, optimize processes, and drive sustainable growth. In this segment, we will provide valuable insights on how to successfully implement AI strategies to propel your business towards success and prosperity. Selecting the right AI tools for specific business needs. When integrating AI into business operations, it is crucial to select the right tools and technologies that align with your specific business needs. Whether it's implementing a chatbot for customer service or deploying predictive analytics for sales forecasting, choosing the right AI solutions can make a significant impact on your business outcomes. By understanding your business objectives and requirements, you can identify the most suitable AI tools that will drive efficiency, enhance decision-making, and fuel growth. Challenges and considerations in AI implementation. While the benefits of AI automation are undeniable, there are challenges and considerations to navigate when implementing AI in a business setting. From data privacy and security concerns to workforce readiness and integration with existing systems, businesses must address various factors to ensure a successful AI implementation. By proactively addressing these challenges and considerations, businesses can mitigate risks, optimize processes, and maximize the value of AI investments. Potential ROI and long-term benefits of investing in AI. Investing in AI for business growth offers a promising return on investment, ROI, and long-term benefits. By leveraging AI technologies to automate tasks, analyze data, and drive strategic decision-making, businesses can achieve significant cost savings, improve operational efficiency, and unlock new revenue streams. The long-term benefits of investing in AI include sustainable growth, enhanced competitiveness, and the ability to adapt to evolving market trends. Join us as we explore the potential ROI and long-term advantages of integrating AI strategies into your business for lasting success and prosperity. Case study: From automation to million-dollar success. In this case study, we will delve into a real-life success story of how AI automation transformed a business, leading to a million-dollar success. By leveraging AI tools to automate key processes, drive revenue, and scale operations, this business achieved remarkable growth and financial milestones. Let's explore the journey of this business and uncover the strategies and decisions that paved the way for its million-dollar success. The journey of leveraging AI tools for automation. The business, a tech startup in the e-commerce industry, recognized the potential of AI in streamlining operations and enhancing customer experiences. By implementing AI-powered chatbots for customer support, personalized product recommendations based on machine learning algorithms, and automated inventory management systems, the business was able to optimize processes and drive efficiency. This automation not only saved time and resources but also improved the overall customer satisfaction and retention rates. Impact of AI-driven automation on scaling and revenue generation. As the business continued to leverage AI-driven automation, it experienced significant growth and scalability. The personalized product recommendations led to higher conversion rates and increased average order values. The automated inventory management system reduced stockouts and improved inventory turnover rates. These improvements, coupled with streamlined operations and enhanced customer experiences, resulted in a substantial increase in revenue and profitability. Key strategies and decisions contributing to million-dollar outcome. Several key strategies and decisions played a crucial role in the business's million-dollar success. The strategic investment in AI technologies, the focus on customer-centric automation solutions, and the continuous optimization of processes based on data-driven insights were instrumental in driving growth and achieving financial milestones. By prioritizing innovation, efficiency, and customer satisfaction, the business was able to harness the power of AI automation to propel itself to million-dollar success. Maximizing profitability through AI automation. In the quest for sustained profitability and competitive advantage, businesses are increasingly turning to artificial intelligence, AI, automation to drive efficiency, optimize processes, and enhance performance. By continuously improving AI-driven automation, businesses can unlock new opportunities for growth, increase revenue, and stay ahead in the market. Let's delve into strategies for maximizing profitability through ongoing AI automation improvements and explore the key tactics for achieving long-term success. Optimizing AI algorithms and workflows for enhanced performance. To maximize profitability through AI automation, businesses must focus on optimizing AI algorithms and workflows for enhanced performance. By fine-tuning algorithms, refining data models, and optimizing workflows, businesses can improve the accuracy, speed, and effectiveness of AI-driven processes. This optimization not only enhances operational efficiency but also enables businesses to make better decisions, deliver superior customer experiences, and drive revenue growth. Importance of monitoring and refining automated processes for sustained profitability. Continuous monitoring and refinement of automated processes are essential for sustaining profitability and maximizing the benefits of AI automation. By closely monitoring performance metrics, analyzing data insights, and identifying areas for improvement, businesses can ensure that their AI-driven processes remain effective and efficient. Refining automated processes based on real-time feedback and evolving business needs allows businesses to adapt quickly to changing market dynamics and maintain a competitive edge. Examples of ongoing AI enhancements leading to increased revenue. Businesses that prioritize ongoing AI enhancements often experience increased revenue and competitive advantage. For instance, a retail company that continuously refines its AI-powered recommendation engine can drive higher sales and customer engagement. Similarly, a manufacturing firm that optimizes its AI-driven predictive maintenance system can reduce downtime, lower maintenance costs, and improve overall operational efficiency. These examples highlight how ongoing AI enhancements can lead to tangible business outcomes, increased revenue, and a stronger competitive position in the market. By leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, for automating business operations, businesses can drive efficiency, optimize processes, and achieve financial growth. The benefits of using AI in business automation are vast, from saving time and reducing errors to enhancing decision-making and boosting overall efficiency. We encourage viewers to consider exploring AI tools for their own business automation needs. Whether it's implementing chatbots for customer support, utilizing predictive analytics for forecasting, or automating routine tasks to free up resources for strategic initiatives, AI offers endless possibilities for driving success and growth. By staying informed and embracing the potential of AI automation, businesses can position themselves for long-term success, competitiveness, and prosperity in today's dynamic marketplace. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of AI automation and business success. We look forward to sharing more insights, tips, and strategies to help you unlock the full potential of AI in your business operations. Stay tuned for more exciting content and innovative ideas to drive your business forward.